Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and somebody just watched my video about back minus front, and they said it didn't work. It did actually the opposite. Well, it all depends on what you drew first and what you're doing. So if it's black, you can't really tell the difference. Let's make one of them red, and then we're gonna set on top. So now you can see that that's on the back layer. So we're gonna select them all. Instead of using back minus front, use front minus back. And then it took it away like it should. But don't ever worry about it too much. Let's set our nudge factor. And let's go ahead and Control D and make a duplicate of this guy. Select them all. Don't ever worry about making a mistake because you can go back and then use the other one. You can tell in the object manager which one's in front, but it really doesn't matter. And just a little word of warning, these little pieces are going to fall through your vector bed, and you're going to want to turn the whole thing. Hairlines, make sure they're hairline. These little pieces are going to fall through your vector grate, most likely, especially if you have a bigger bed with half-inch pieces. So you're going to cut this out of one wood and cut these out of another wood. And to save wood, you can actually go and ungroup these, and you can move this stuff around. You could, to save a little wood, because it doesn't really matter if you're cutting out of wood. And you can even go further and break the curve apart. And if you really want to save wood, you could put these inside of here. We need to break that curve apart. I'm a woodworker, so I can make my own wood, so it doesn't really matter. You could turn this one at don't mirror it, but turn it like a 90-degree angle. If you mirror it, you won't work good. And then you could get all these pieces into a smaller piece of wood, save you a little bit of wood or money. Anyway, I'm going to put a link to a catch box that will catch these two little pieces so it won't fall through your vector bed. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.